This is second start. Ain't no fucking way. I ain't got no fucking brakes. Oh shit, got ants in this bitch. Can't be. Oh damn, got ants all in the door. Look at this shit. Oh, what the fuck is going on here? I'm about to find a way inside. Something not plugged up. Hold on. A lot of shit not plugged up. There we go. Get that in there plugged up. Alright. Now, let's see what we got. I'm about to spray that shit. That shit right there. Oh. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Got some action. Alright, give it a second. There we go. Got some action now. Okay. I know it ain't gonna run me because it ain't got no mass airflow. So I just wanted to make sure I could. Oh shit. Okay. That's old transmission fluid out the transmission. So I'm not really worried about that. I'll leave the battery on it. I gotta get 2 hoses for the transmission line, the transmission cooler. And I also gotta get, I'm gonna go ahead and fill him in with all the information.